Next 24 hours looks fairly active when it comes to the weather, whether you're getting icy conditions or very rainy conditions. Most of the ice lining up in southern Wisconsin, but there is a little corner of northwest Illinois, including Stevenson County and Freeport, where you might see some light freezing drizzle to freezing rain, enough to create a glaze of ice. So watch out for slick roads in the morning and even some isolated power outages. This winter weather advisory going into effect at midnight through 6 o'clock tomorrow. So that's roughly how long we could see the icy showers last. If you're not highlighted by the winter weather advisory, much of the rest of northern Illinois under a flood watch between midnight and noon. So up until noon tomorrow, could have a lot of rainfall, good half-inch plus that may lead to some river flooding, some ice jams, or even some low-lying areas and ditches getting flooded because the ground is still frozen and that water runs off, resulting in some flooding issues. We'll keep a close eye out for that. So far on radar, just some freezing drizzle to our north. I really haven't seen much of precipitation settle in for us just yet. We're kind of sandwiched in between some warm and cold air, which is why some spots are seeing some icy conditions and other areas are just getting regular rain showers, possibly even some thunderstorms though. As we look at future tracks, should have those drizzly conditions set up later tonight, may even be a little foggy and hard to see as we head into tomorrow morning. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, here we are close to sunrise and the action's definitely getting going. There is that line of freezing rain and freezing drizzle, mostly near and north of Freeport. The Roscoe and Rockton also could look a little icy, same for Beloit. As you move south, you can notice the bright colors on that radar. We are looking at the possibility of pockets of heavy rainfall and even some thunderstorms at times through the middle of tomorrow morning, so watch out for that heavy rain to sweep through. By the end of the morning, we're drying out, but as you can see, that colder air is starting to shake loose, so the rest of the state line could see a brief round of freezing drizzle or sleet in the early afternoon, and then we dry out from there. So a lot of moving parts here. First up, though, the rain and fog tonight, and then some pockets of heavy rainfall at times tomorrow could result in some isolated flooding as the rivers will absorb a lot of that runoff, and that could lead to ice jams as well. And then as you move farther northwest, that's where we see the pockets of freezing rain could impact that morning commute, especially along the Wisconsin-Illinois state line as well as near Freeport. So watch out for those icy conditions overall for your morning drive. Icy to the north and northwest. Elsewhere, plenty of water puddling up in the roads, so watch out for that anytime we do see some heavy rainfall. Temperatures start out above freezing tomorrow, then drop below freezing in the mid-afternoon, and that's where we could see that quick little round of sleet, so we'll have to keep a close eye out for that. In the forecast, we do have a dry Wednesday with colder conditions. Thursday may bring some snow into Thursday evening and Friday morning. After that, we dry out for a little bit with temperatures hovering near freezing. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we will continue to see temperatures stay a little cold through the end of the month. Then heading into March, that's when temperatures might be looking a little spring-like for early next month, Brittany.
Alex, thanks for that.